Are you wanting to start using IGTV, but you don't really know how to go about it the best way? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you my 5 best tips to absolutely crush it on IGTV starting today. On this channel, I teach entrepreneurs how to get more leads and sales using social media. So if you're new here and you want more videos like that, be sure to go down below, click the subscribe button, and also click that little bell notification so you're always notified of videos just like this. So my very first tip with IGTV is you want to embrace the vertical video. Okay, if you've tried to film IGTV or you've been watching other people's, chances are you've realized that you have to actually film it up and down. That's the way IGTV is working, and you want to use that so you can get the best look on the platform. The next tip for you for IGTV is to create a behind the scenes presence. You know, a lot of times on our Instagrams and on our, Facebook pages and things like that, we want to show the best of the best of our businesses, right? We want to, make sure our brand looks great, is professional, and it's always the finished product. But IGTV is a great way to tap into the behind the scenes content. For example, if you're in a health and fitness niche, rather than maybe on your page always showing you working out and looking great, you can actually show yourself meal prepping or getting ready to go to the gym, right? A more behind the scenes look. And when you make IGTV that place for you for the behind the scenes content, people are gonna know to go to that for a specific reason, and you're gonna notice your IGTV viewership continue to increase. My next tip for you is to remember the fundamentals, right? A lot of people, they want to go on IGTV. A lot of people I'm working with have been asking me questions, but they need to keep in mind, and you need to keep in mind, that you still have to remember the fundamentals. Good lighting, good video quality, good sound and audio. These are all things you want to keep in mind when you start doing IGTV. It's no different than creating YouTube videos. It's no different than creating, Facebook Live videos. The better the quality, the better the viewership tends to be. Another bonus tip to keep in mind is typically the higher the frame rate, the more light you're going to actually need in that scene when you're filming. My next tip for you is to get creative with the video cover of your IGTV episode. What you have to realize is that cover and that title and headline is similar to a YouTube video. It's similar to another piece of content. You still want to capture the person's attention, right? One of the best ways to capture attention is to include emotion. All right, so whether you're really happy in the thumbnail or whether you're really, maybe sad or you look depressed or scared, emotional based covers are going to allow more people to want to click and watch the video. So one thing you can do when you do your IGTV is at the end of it, since IGTV is pre-recorded videos, at the end of that shooting, you can actually record a still image of yourself with a shocked look or an emotional face. When you add that to the actual cover, which you can upload in IGTV, you're going to notice a lot more people clicking to watch that video. So really focus on the cover of your IGTV video, think through that, and also write a good compelling title, and that's going to allow you to capture more attention, and when you deliver in the video, you're going to get a lot more views and a lot more engagement. So my next tip for you is keep in mind that it's IGTV. So really think about the TV platform. If you want to do certain episodes, one of my clients, they are doing cooking. So every day they basically do a new segment on IGTV teaching a recipe. This has become their television program that people are now daily tuning into, right? You don't have to do it daily, but if you can create episodes of yourself maybe doing an ask episode, right? Where every day of the week at a certain time, you post a new episode answering frequently asked questions. Things like that. If you build a community around a specific topic and you start building out episodes on your IGTV, just like it's a television program, again, this is gonna allow more people to follow you, your brand to grow bigger, and a lot more engagement on the IGTV platform. So now you know some of my best tips to absolutely crush it on IGTV. Remember, it's very similar as far as it's still a content creation site. You still want to use good quality audio, but remember to keep the screen vertical. Also, remember to use good quality lighting and sound. Another thing is play around with the cover and the title of your IGTV episode and think about creating consistent episodes to build a consistent following. Now, the last thing you may be wondering is how exactly do you start using these IGTV viewers and turn them into leads and sales for your business? Well, be sure to grab my free training audio, 17 ways to get leads today, down below, or head to garrettgetsresults.com/17 ways. As you're listening to that audio, you're going to discover 17 powerful ways to generate leads. All of them are simple, and all but one of them are totally free. Well, there we have it, my friend. If you like this video, be sure to click the like button below, share it with any friends or business partners, and be sure to subscribe. Last but not least, comment below in the description. I'm really curious, are you excited about this update? How are you going to use it? And also share with me what you want me to help you with next. I'm posting these videos daily, and I'm really excited to share even more value with my friends. So thanks so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next video.